may this be one of the best moments of your life. You're listening to the Business Mirror Podcast for a broader look on business with Senior Editor Dennis Estopace.
Good day, I'm Dennis Estopace, and welcome to Business Mondays, a segment of the BM Broader Look podcast that provides a view of the stock market. Business Mondays podcast segment is based on the stock market outlook story that comes every Monday in the company section of the Business Mirror newspaper. The journalist behind the stock market outlook story is Business Mirror reporter VG Kabuwag. For the text version online, please visit www.businessmirror.com.ph and search for Stock Market Outlook. Let's get on with the story. Share prices fell last week as the foreign investors continued to sell, but the main index remained at the 6,700 point level. The benchmark Philippine Stock Exchange Index fell 17.53 points to close at 6,700.38 points. It, however, lost all of the gains on Friday and fell more than 1%. Average daily trading for the week was at 5.5 billion pesos, and foreign investors continued to dump local shares, ending the week at a net sell of 2.49 billion pesos. With the exception of the property index that gained 51.69 points to close at 3,684.87 points, all other sub-indices ended on the red. The broader all shares index fell 24.77 to close at 4,039.55. The financials index lost 9.76 to 1,596.23. The industrial index plunged 237.41 to close at 8,114.07. The holding firms index was down 14.82 to close at 6,612.26. The services index declined 20.84 to close at 1,330.54. And the mining and oil index retreated 169.73 to close at 6,281.71. Losers edged gainers 150 to 70, and 26 shares were unchanged. The top gainers for the week were the A and B shares of Metro Alliance Holdings and Equities Corporation, A. Brown Company Incorporated, PH Resorts Group Holdings Incorporated, Metro Pacific Investments Corporation, and Ace Enexor Incorporated. The top losers, on the other hand, were Evergotesco Resources and Holdings Incorporated, First Gen Corporation, Chemical Industries of the Philippines Incorporated, SSI Group Incorporated, Imperial Resources Incorporated, and Premium Leisure Corporation. Trading at the Philippine Stock Exchange may remain volatile this week, as sentiments will remain due to the domestic spread of the coronavirus disease of 2019 or COVID-19. Claire Alviar of PhilStocks Financials Incorporated said that they expect the market to be volatile in the coming week, but within the range of 6,700 and 7,000 as COVID-19 outbreak still weigh on investor sentiment, particularly that cases in the Philippines have escalated. Alviar said that updates on COVID-19 will still drive the market in the coming week. Meanwhile, 2Trade Asia said investors will look for opportunities in companies with strong full-year 2019 earnings results. Ayala Corporation, San Miguel Corporation, and the Aboitiz Group will all report this week. 2Trade Asia said that anxiety is thus not unwarranted at this point, but consideration should be put whether fundamentals have weakened to irreversibility. For the stock picks, broker Regina Capital and Development Corporation gave a buy during the breakout on the stock of Jollibee Foods Corporation. However, Regina Capital said the indicators of Jollibee Foods are mostly in the bear territory. The broker said that the bounce back for Jollibee Foods after hitting that 168 peso level bottom might be sustained in the coming days, especially since it closed to its near-term strong resistance at 184 pesos. Regina Capital said the pullback is seen only to entice more participants to reposition into the stock and possibly gain momentum for another attempt at the price ceiling. Jollibee Foods shares closed Friday at 176 pesos and 50 centavos apiece. Meanwhile, Regina Capital advised to cut loss on the stock of Bloomberry Resorts Corporation on a heavy sell-down, even dropping as low as 7 pesos and 18 centavos per share, its lowest since March 2017. Regina Capital said that unfortunately, Even if indicators have resided long into oversold region, the selling pressure has yet to dissipate, and continued downtrend can still be expected. Regina Capital said it does not see the stock establishing a price bottom anytime soon that might trigger some reverse signals. Bloomberry shares closed last week at 7 pesos and 54 centavos apiece.
Thank you for listening to the Business Mirror podcast. For a broader look on business, follow us on Facebook and Twitter at Business Mirror. Until next time.